Alexa, play Dave Matthews Chill Mix.
Playing Dave Matthews.
Alexa, please fucking don't.
What the fuck, Atrain?
Listen, we gotta go. Now. Deep and Noir know that I'm the leak.
Wait, what?
Homelander's about to find out any second.
Did you say anything about me, you fucking asshole?
Of course not. I didn't say anything.
Atrain, what the fuck?
Ashley!
What the fuck?
This is our chance. This is our chance. Florence? Anywhere. But let's go. Shoot yourself.
Wait. Your chip. Don't forget to cut it out.